CrossPLANE Nation. I have a 2018 GSX250R. We're going to remove these stock front blinkers and we're going to install these flush mounts that I picked up. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get up underneath here. There's going to be two barrel connections that we're going to remove, and there'll be a nut that we'll need to loosen and remove to pull this guy out. This is the guy that we're going to install. You can see here it has two connectors that we can plug back into those barrel connectors. It has a retaining threaded plastic washer that you'll need to remove. Ready to connect these guys up. Yellow is going to be your hot, black is going to be your ground. Okay, let's test it out. Thanks for watching.